color. Yellow color. And green color. Uppercase letter A for alligator. B for bear. C for cherry. D for dog. E for elbow. F for fish. G for grass. H for horse. I for ink. J for jelly. K for king. L for lamb. M for mango. N for necklace. O for orange. P for peanut. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snail. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for window. X for Xmas tree. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's paint. Blue color. Capital letter A for alligator. B for bear. Orange color. C for cupcake. D for dog. Green color. E for elbow. F for fish. Yellow color. G for grass. H for horse. I for ice cream. Purple color. J for jelly. Light green color. K for kite. L for lollipop. Brown color. M for mango. N for nose. Light pink color. O for octopus. P for pig. Red color. Q for queen. R for report. Light blue color. S for sun. T for train. Green color. U for unicorn. V for violin. Yellow color, W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Orange color, Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's learn with me. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.